Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be creating our own digital animation. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to be using the Keynotes app found on the iPad or iPhone. If you can find this app, tap the center of your screen and pull down and start typing in the name of the app in the quick finder. Next, you're going to need to create a presentation. Go ahead and choose a theme. I'm going to go with the most simple, basic white theme. Next, I'm going to delete anything that's in my way. Tap on the items to pull up the mini menu and delete. Now that I have a clear canvas, I'm going to add a drawing. At the top right corner, you'll see a plus sign. And here are the top 4 tabs. On the very far left tab, you'll see a place where you can add pictures and different things, and towards the bottom of that list, you'll see drawings. Next, you'll see the markup tools show up below. If you have a smart pencil, you can use this to draw whatever you'd like. I'm going to do a simple flower. To make that a thicker mark, I just tap on the item a second time. I can change the opacity and thickness of the mark. There we go. Now that I'm done with my drawing, at the top left corner, click Done. I want to animate this item, so I'm going to single tap it to pull up that mini menu again, and I should see the animate option over to the right. There are many different options for animation. Definitely play around with the different options and figure out which ones you like the most. When you're done selecting your animations, click Done at the top right corner. Next, you are going to click on the circle with the 3 little dots in the top right corner. Then select Export. You're going to choose Animated GIF. Next, you'll need to make sure that the slide is selected, slide 1. There is one slide. I'm going to go ahead and go for large and leave the rest of the settings the way they are. Now I'm going to click Export. I should see a preview of the animation here. Go ahead and click on Share to save the image or send it right to your drive. Now, when I go to my Photos app, I will see the animation right there in my pictures. Well, I cannot wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.